Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very delicious chicken curry, and I'm going to make a chicken with spinach. It's going to be Palak chicken, and I'm going to use a chicken breast. These are frozen, and I'm going to use a 5-pound chicken. Then I'm going to use pre-washed 2.5-pound spinach, 2 cup tadka. And how do I make a tadka? Please check it out in the video. I have listed under my description. 1 tablespoon cumin seed and 1 tablespoon olive oil, along with kasuri methi. So I'm going to cut the chicken pieces into small pieces, and I'm using chicken breast. It's a boneless, skinless. You can use any meat. I'm going to use a tomato sauce, and I'm going to use half cup. For curry, I'm going to use 1 cup water. And you can use curry according to your need. If you want running gravy, you can use it more water. But I'm going to make it like a restaurant chicken. So let's get started. The spinach is cut into small pieces, and chicken breast cut into small chunks. And we have half cup tomato sauce. And let's start making a delicious Palak chicken. Get a big pot, and we're going to start gas. We're going to keep the gas on high. And we're going to bring olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil. Bring cumin seed, we're going to cook the cumin seed 30 seconds. This is good enough. And now we're going to bring tadka. Mix it well. Our tadka is fully cooked. Once we start to heat up, and I'm going to bring tomato sauce. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we'll bring chicken. Mix it well. We're going to bring our gas on medium, and we're going to mix it well. Once chicken is nicely combined with the tadka, on medium gas, we're going to cover with the lid, cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for exactly 10 minutes with the closed lid on medium gas. I'm going to open it. I'll start the fan. Mix it well. Once it's nicely mixed, we're going to spread the chicken evenly, and we're going to add the spinach. And as you know, the spinach looks too much, but as it's going to cook, it's going to get shrink. So I have 1 more bowl to put it in. After pulling half of the spinach, I'm going to mix it well again. And we're going to keep our gas on medium. We don't want to cook it on high gas. Once the spinach is mixed, after adding all the spinach, I'll bring 1 cup of water. I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it. The time we're going to open the spinach, palak will get shrink. Then we're going to mix it. Cooking for 5 minutes on medium gas with the covered lid. I'm going to open it, and now we're going to mix it well. Palak spinach is nicely mixed with all the masala, all the tadka. After mixing it well, bring up our gas to medium, and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Cooking for exactly 15 minutes on medium flame. I opened it twice and I mixed it. Now we're going to open it again. Bring the gas to high and mix it well. The oil starts to ooze out. Our chicken palak is fully cooked. On a high gas, we're going to cook it for a couple more minutes. And now the last ingredient. I'm going to bring kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is totally optional, but if you add it, it will bring a taste to our dish. Mix it well. And our dish is ready and off dish off. You always can serve with roti, chapati, naan, fulka, prantha, and best of all with rice pulao. I hope you're going to like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you.